Well, hello, my lively eagles. Welcome to the last tips and tricks for creating your computer animation. There's a few things I want to point out. First off, on your title slide, make sure you do have the title, and yes, make sure you do spell it correctly. If you see this red line right here, that means that word is not spelled correctly. If you two-finger tap for a Chromebook or right-click for a computer, you get this box that comes up and it says, "Did you mean?" And that's usually the word you're trying to spell. Now, if this is not the word you're trying to spell, then you're going to have to try to re-sound it out and re-figure it out and then see if you can get it. And the computer will keep guessing what word you're trying to spell. Also, another thing I want to point out, do you see how my name is not in the middle? I want my name to be in the middle, just like the title is in the middle. So if I click on it, then up at the top, there's several buttons. Do you see this one right here? It says align. If you click the down, here's one that's in the middle. This one will slide it over all the way to the right. But I think you actually want it to go in the middle. So just like that, you want it in the middle. And something else you can do, if you click and then double click 2 times, it highlights the word. If you want to click and select all of it, you can triple click and it selects the entire box. Another easy way is if you click on it, then click on the blue box, you can actually change what your letters look like. If you wanted to have more fun look, you can change the color. Some of you actually already know how to do this, but I thought I'd share for those who either forgot or are not sure. And you can make it as big as possible because, well, it's easier to read. So you can go through and create anything you want and change it up to make it personalized. So it is actually for you and for what you think your animation should be, because remember, this is yours. So I actually want you to do what you want for it. And you can make it bold, make it thicker. It's up to you. So just some fun things. Now, sometimes if it's the wrong color, for instance, there we go. For instance, if you choose, say, a lighter color, sometimes it's harder to read. What you can do, some of you have already asked me about this, and I wasn't going to tell you anything, but if you click over so there's no blue boxes, you'll notice the word background. If you click on the word background, you can choose a color for your background if you wanted a solid color. If you want an image, you can actually choose an image. Now, if you want to upload, you can, but remember the Google search? You can search for any sort of picture you want. And, ooh, that'll be pretty for my birds. So you click on it and insert, or you can double click and it inserts it. And it fills it, done, just like this. So there are several things you can do with the words as far as centering and color and size. I'm going to let you have fun. I changed my mind. I don't want yellow. What about, yeah, I like that, but I think I want to make it bigger. So this is yours. I want you guys to have fun and change it up so it is personalized for you, what you like, what you want. And the last thing I'm going to point out to you guys, I changed this up so it was wrong. If I want the trees in front of the ground, then I need to click either the trees or the ground, right click or two-finger click. And right here where it says order, I want whatever I want to be behind in the back, I send it to the back. If I want the trees in the front, then I want to bring it to the front. But the grass I want to the back, so I go back. Oh no, do you see what happened? Because my sky is now in front. Easy fix. click that. Remember, 2-finger click if you're on the Chromebook, or right click on the regular computer. And I want to send this one now all the way to the back behind the grass. Ta-da! Now that's the correct order. I like that. I think it looks good. Last thing I want to point out is if my bird, for instance, is going the wrong way, I don't want it to go that way, right click or 2-finger click, I can rotate it. You can rotate it or flip it horizontally. Horizontal means side to side. And now my bird's going the other direction. What if, oh no, I made a mistake. I don't want to do that. Remember, this undoes what you just did. So you click it, and now the bird's gone the right way. But if you accidentally did it too much, then you can click on this arrow and you can redo slowly. There you go. So that way you don't accidentally do too much on it. So that is it. That is it. The last thing, though, I want you to watch it. So you're going to present, and you can click, 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 click. Oops. So I'm on the last slide. I almost forgot. You have to go all the way and click on the first slide, then present it. Now you can click, 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 or just hold the button down and it goes faster, if that's how fast you want it. So you can watch yours in reverse, fast, forward, slow, fast, just by pushing the arrow buttons, back, forward, or up, down, either one. And you click the escape, ESC, in the top left corner. And I would love, love, love for you to share it with me. You just click share. This is my name. You can actually type in Boyd, and it pops up, Stephanie Boyd. Now, if you want, you can make me an editor, but I'm going to tell you right now, you do not need to make me an editor. I'm okay if you just click me as a viewer, because I want to see your animations. And that will send me an email so I can go look at your animations. So now that's it. All right, you can rewind this video and watch different parts to help you understand any of the parts that maybe you forgot or you need help going step by step by step. I can't wait to see your animations. Bye, you guys.